Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing one host machine as the printer gateway. Install the correct driver on that host, then enable printer sharing in Windows or Mac OS. This exposes the device to other PCs. If the printer supports Ethernet or Wi-Fi, assign a static IP or note the DHCP address so other machines can find it. Once done, record the host computer name and the printer share name. Keep admin credentials ready. These let you authorize installations on the client PCs when connecting. Now connect each client PC to the shared printer step by step. On Windows, use Add a Printer, select Network or Shared option, then browse to the host name and choose the shared printer. On Mac OS, use Printers and Scanners and add by IP or network share. Make sure to install the same driver version if prompted. Sometimes you must browse to the host's driver folder. Once the printer appears, print a test page to verify communication and set it as default if most users will use it. Finish by securing and stabilizing the connection so printing stays reliable. Make sure local firewalls allow file and printer sharing or open the printer's TCP port. For IP printers, ensure the IP is reachable. If a client cannot print, reinstall the driver on that client, reboot the host, and re-add the printer. These steps clear stale connections. If problems persist due to host availability, move the printer onto the network directly or deploy a small print server. This reduces single-point failures and simplifies access for all PCs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.